Struggling to find a real source factory with mature products and customization capabilities? KASTAR is your solution. Since 1998, KASTAR Adhesives Industrial Co. has been a professional OEM and ODM manufacturer of high-performance construction adhesives, sealants, and coatings. With 20-plus years of expertise, we serve 80-plus countries and hold SGS, CE, ROSE certifications, guaranteeing quality you can trust. Why KASTAR? True source factory, full in-house production, from automated material mixing to custom packaging and printing, mature and reliable products, including MS Polymer Sealant, weather-resistant flexible, Silicone Sealant, GP, structural fireproof, tile grout, anti-mold durable, silicone rubber roof, waterproof coating, UV-resistant long-lasting, acrylic sealant, paintable, versatile, strong R&D and customization, tailored formulas for your unique requirements. Global trust, premium quality. Our senior expert team and advanced equipment ensure high-performance, eco-friendly products for every project. Partner with KASTAR, where innovation meets reliability. Contact us today for OEM/ODM solutions. KASTAR Adhesive Solutions, your trusted source factory.